So example 2 says Kevin spent $12 of the 40 his mother gave him. What percent of the money Kevin's mom gave him did he spend? So I have 12 of his $40 that his mother gave him. We want to know the percent of the money Kevin's mom gave him did he spend. So we want to know the percent that he spent. Okay, so here I'm going to do my UPSL. Okay, so I'm going to do this right here really quick. So on this side, I need to rewrite my question. Okay, so the question is, what percent of the money Kevin's mom gave him did he spend? So we can put Kevin spent blank percent of the money. Okay. So we can write that right here. Let me make this smaller. Okay, so now over here on this side, I'm gonna show I need to write my plan, which is I need to set up my proportion. Okay, so it's gonna be my part, P-A-R-T, over my total is equal to my percent over 100. Okay, because I am talking about a percent, so that's why I have my percent over 100%. Are always out of 100. So now, with the information that they gave us, right, I need to set up this. Okay, so I'm gonna use this spot right here to do if I need to do any simplifying. Okay, so I know I need to set up a fraction. Okay, so if I know I have a part, which one of these is my part? So Kevin spent $12 of the 40 his mom gave him. So from what I'm understanding, the 12 is my part. So I'm going to write my 12 up here. And then the 40 is my total. I'm going to write T right here for total. So I'm going to write 40 right here. Okay. So now from here, I'm going to simplify. Okay. So instead of doing the T chart, I'm going to do this. Okay. And I'll explain in a little bit why. So I'm going to look at the two numbers at the end, so their last digit, and I'm going to check what can those two numbers be divisible by. Okay, so I end in a 2 and I end in a 0. So they're both even numbers, and one of my smallest even numbers is 2, so I'm going to divide both numbers by 2. Okay, so 12 divided by 2 gives me 6. 40 divided by 2 gives me 20. Okay, so now I'm going to work with the fraction 6 over 20. Okay, so now I'm going to write my proportion over here on this side. So 6 over 20 is equal to blank percent over 100. Okay, so we can do it one or two ways. Okay, we can do butterfly, which I need to check which two numbers that are across from each other that they fill out. So in this case, it's going to be the 6 and the 100. So I multiply these two and I get 600. Okay, so then right here, 600. And I need to divide by 20. So divide this by 20. 20 cannot go into 6, so that's going to be 0. But 20 can go into 60, okay? So then, how many times can 20 go into 60? 20, 40, 60. That's 3. So 20 times 3 is 60. I subtract, I get 0. I bring down my 0, okay? 20 can go into 0 times. I subtract that and I get 0. So here I have 30%. Another way I can look at it, okay, is do I have a pattern? So from 20 to 10, I can multiply by 5. Again, from 6 to 30, I can multiply by 5, and I still get 30%. Okay, so those are